In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate the screen on iPhone on iOS. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now we're going to be using the portraits and the landscape orientation, right, when it comes to screen rotation. So what we're going to do right now, just gradually swipe down your iPhone, right? Just click on this. You're going to turn it off. Then if I go to my WhatsApp right now and if I bend my phone right, you can see I just rotated my screen right. So if I do this the same, it's going to come back to the normal, right? So for you to do this, you're going to be using the portraits and the landscape orientation lock or off, right? So if you click on it, you're going to lock it, you're going to unlock it, right? So if it's unlocked, you can actually rotate your screen right, but if it's locked, you can't do this, right? So this is basically how you can rotate the iOS on the iPhone screen. If you have any today, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you on the very next video.